Hi, I'm Ricky Allen.
And I'm Kathy Griffith with Sotheby's International Realty in Santa Fe. And Ricky, do you know what time it is?
What time is it, Kathy?
It is time to showcase all of the diverse neighborhoods in Santa Fe that make Santa Fe the city different.
Tesuque is a wonderful area of Santa Fe, just north of town.
To get to Tesuque, you go on Bishop's Lodge Road. You pass the new recently renovated and reopened Bishop's Lodge Resort.
Tesuque has many properties with acreage. If you're a horse lover and looking for horse property, Tesuque certainly will be one of the areas we look at.
The east side is known for the kind of classic historic Santa Fe architecture.
Quintessential Santa Fe. Wonderful established streets like Garcia, Camino de Montesol.
And then, of course, Canyon Road is kind of like the central anchor of the historic east side with all of its galleries and restaurants, and you can walk to the plaza from the historic east side. South Capitol, or South Cap as we locals call it, is really known for its kind of neighborhood feel with sidewalks and lots of trees.
Plenty of walkability close to the plaza.
Right, and it's got a variety of architecture. South Cap is where you go to trick or treat. That'll give you an idea about neighborhoods.
Las Campanas can be a lifestyle within its own. It's a large community of about 2,000 homes.
And the central part of Las Campanas is the Las Campanas Clubhouse.
And the club, which is optional, has a wonderful clubhouse, spa, pools, tennis courts.
Wide open views of the Sangres and the Jiménez.
El Dorado is a wonderful community about 20 minutes from town.
And it has everything you need in town.
The homes typically are on larger lots, so you get lots of privacy. The views can be wonderful.
Expansive views. There's a lot of walking and biking trails.
The northwest quadrant of Santa Fe is a popular area.
There are multiple neighborhoods in the northwest quadrant.
Yes, you have La Tierra Nueva, Las Dos, and a bunch of different neighborhoods in the northwest quadrant.
You typically get more acreage out there.
Wonderful views,
Horses. And some of the areas have horse trails, so you could just leave your property and go straight to a trail. There's a lot of nice features about that area. The south side of town is really where all of the stuff for living is, where you need to, get to Target. There's a Walmart, there's the mall, there's all sorts of restaurants. Artist Road, which is close to town, turns into Hyde Park Road. So if you're on Artist Road, you can actually walk to the plaza. And then as you go up the mountain, it turns into Hyde Park Road, which leads ultimately to the ski basin.
At the base of Hyde Park Road, you have a lot of properties that are walking distance to town. I love Old Taos Highway because the homes can be walking distance to the plaza and downtown. And as you get up Old Taos Highway, you can have homes with wonderful views.
Kind of get the best of both worlds. You get some mountain views and some city lights views.
We hope this helped you understand the different neighborhoods in Santa Fe.
The city different. Feel free to contact us directly so we can show you in person the different neighborhoods.
Please visit our website where we showcase neighborhoods more in depth.
We hope to see you soon.